Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a pressing issue lurking in the cosmos as space agencies gear up to send humans back to the moon, the growing threat of space debris. In an unusual turn of events, a piece of the SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket is predicted to crash into the lunar surface this August, raising questions about the impact of space debris on future missions. This intriguing discovery was made by independent astronomer Bill Gray. He managed to track the Falcon 9's trajectory after it was launched in January 2025, carrying landers for private space companies. Instead of burning up upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, the rocket entered a long orbit around Earth. Using advanced software to track celestial objects, Gray found that the rocket's orbit intersects with the Moon's path. Although they haven't yet met in the same spot at the same time, this scenario is about to change. According to Gray's calculations, the rocket is expected to collide with the Moon at a staggering speed of 5,400 miles per hour on August 5. While the exact impact location is uncertain, it's believed to occur near the Einstein crater on the Moon's far side, making it difficult to observe from Earth. This is not the first instance of such a collision. Gray had previously predicted other impacts, like the 2022 crash of a Chinese rocket piece into the Moon, which left 2 craters. While the immediate risk of these impacts might be minimal, they point to a larger problem concerning space debris. As lunar activity intensifies, experts like John Crassides from the University of Buffalo warn about the potential formation of a debris field around the Moon. Crassides emphasizes the importance of avoiding the replication of Earth's orbital debris issues around the Moon, highlighting the need for solutions to curb the growing space junk problem. The anticipated Falcon 9 collision serves as a wake-up call regarding the environmental impacts of space debris on the Moon, especially as plans accelerate to return humans to its surface. Although this upcoming impact poses no immediate danger, it underscores the need to devise new strategies to prevent the Moon from becoming a dumping ground for outer space waste. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting science content.